To continue with, our next topics is capacitance and dielectrics. So for capacitors and capacitance. A capacitor is any pair of conductors separated by an insulator. So ang capacitor sa magkabila, conductor. Ano ba yung mga conductor? Usually metal. And then, insulating material sa loob, pwedeng air, pwedeng rubber, pwedeng wood, plastic, anything na hindi naman dinadaluyan ng kuryente. When the capacitor is charged, there are charges of equal magnitude Q and opposite sign of two conductor, and the potential VAB of the positive charge conductor is with respect to the negatively charged conductor is proportional to charge Q. So makikita natin dyan sa figure, we have the capacitor plate, plate A and then plate B separated by distance D. Now, sa baba, yung plate B, nandun yung negative Q, negative charge, and then sa taas, yung positive charge. So, pag sinabing potential difference or potential, that is voltage. The capacitance C is defined as the ratio of Q to VAB. So, charge over voltage. So, that is the capacitance. The SI unit of capacitance is farad. So, we have here the capacitance C is equal to ratio of Q all over B. And the unit is or coulomb per second. So, farad, unit is farad. A Faraday plate capacitor consists of two parallel conducting plates, each with area separated by distance d. If they are separated by vacuum, meaning walang makaka-escape na light, ang air hindi siya vacuum. So, pag sinabing vacuum, walang kahit anong air, walang air resistance. The capacitance depends only on area and the diameter. So, the formula for capacitance is, another formula is EO A all over D. So, ano yung C? Capacitance in farad. Q is the charge in coulomb. And then V is the potential difference in volts. Now, EO has a value of 8.85 times 10 raised to negative 12 farad per meter. And then the area in meter square, cross-sectional area. And D is the distance between plates in meter. Now, ano ang gagamitin nating formula dyan? Depende sa given. Siyempre, kung ang given sa una ay Q, charge at saka yung voltage, so ito gagamitin natin para makuha yung capacitance. Pero kung ang given ay area at saka diameter, so we can solve also for the capacitance. So, depende sa given. Like in example 1, the parallel plates of 1 farad capacitor are 1 millimeter apart. What is the area? So, for example number 1, ang tinatanong ay area. Ano pa given? Yung capacitance. 1 times 10 raised to negative 12 farad for pico. And then DD is equal to 1 millimeter, or that is 1 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter. So, from here, area is equal to CD all over EO. So, 1 times 10 raised to negative 12 farad multiply by D, 1 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter divide by EO is 8.85 times 10 raised to negative 12 farad per meter. So, cancel yung farad. Ngayon, yung meter, papanik. Kaya magiging unit niya ay meter square. So, pause for computation. Our answer is 1.13 times 10 raised to negative 4 meter square for example 1. Next, for example 2. The plate of a parallel plate capacitor in vacuum are 2 mm apart and 5 cm square in area. So, nag-given na distance is 2 millimeter, that is 2 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter. And then, for the area is 5 centimeter square. Kaya lang, i-convert natin into meter square. So, for every 100 centimeter is 1 meter. And then, square, square. So, equals 5 divided by 100 square is 5 times 10 raised to negative 4 meter square. Let's continue reading the problem. Example 2. A 3 kilovolt potential difference. So we have a voltage of 3 kilovolt is 3 times 10 raised to 3 voltage is applied across the capacitor. Compute A for the capacitance of the capacitor, and then letter B, the charge on the plate Q, and then letter C, the magnitude of the electric field. So for letter A, C, from EOA all over D, 8.85 times 10 raised to negative 12 farad per meter. Area is 5 times 10 raised to negative 4 meter square. Divide 2 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter. So, cancel ang meter square. So, C equals in farad or F. So, compute for C. We have a value of 2.213 times 10 raised to negative 12 farad or 2.213. What is negative 12? That is pico, then farad. So, in scientific notation and metric prefixes. So, pwede kahit alin ang sagot. For letter B, the charge on the capacitor. So, from C is equal to Q all over B. Therefore, Q is equal to C times B. So, Q is equal to C. 2.213 times 10 raised to negative 12 farad times voltage. The voltage is 3 kilovolts. So we have a charge of 6.639 times 10 raised to negative 12. Ano ang unit ng Q? Charge, that is coulomb. Or, Q is equal to 6.639 microcoulomb. Again, this is for the scientific notation and this is for the metric prefixes. And then for letter C, what is the electric field? So, meron tayong formula na electric field in a previous chapter is V all over D. So what is the voltage? Voltage is 3 kilovolts, and then divide by the distance of 2 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter. So equals, so 3 exponent 3 divided by 2 exponent negative 3 is 1.5, no? 1.5 times 10 raised to 6. Ano unit ng electric field? Newton per coulomb. So, that is our example 2. Next, for capacitors in series. In figure is a schematic diagram of series connection of capacitors. So, two capacitors are connected in series, one after another, by conducting wires between 2 points A and B. So, meron tayong figure dito na pinapakita kung paano nakakonect ang capacitor in series. So, parang magkadugtong lang. So, both capacitors are initially uncharged. So, walang charge. Walang Q. Now, with a constant positive potential difference VAB is applied, pag in-apply ng voltage sa point A and B, the capacitance becomes charged. So, nagkakaroon ng charge. So, figure 6.2 that the charge on all conducting plates has the same magnitude. So pag series, ang charge ay equal. So Q total equals Q1 equals Q2. And the voltage are additive. So B total equals B1 plus B2. So, hindi lang hanggang dalawa, pwedeng hanggang kung ilan ng ating capacitor na naka-series. And then, pwede rin na hanggang kung ilan na voltage. Where n is the number of capacitor connected in series. So, the reciprocal of the equivalent capacitance of a series combinations equals the sum of the reciprocals of the individual capacitances. So, ang total capacitance pag naka-series ay reciprocal of the sum of the reciprocal. Plus 1 over C2 hanggang kung ilan. Plus 1 over C sub n. So, meron tayong example dito. 6.3.A 3 microfarad capacitor and 6 microfarad capacitor is connected in series with voltage 12 volts. So, ito-drawing muna natin ang circuit diagram. Hindi ito masosolve ng walang circuit diagram. So, ang symbol ng capacitor, dalawang parallel plate lang. So, C1 and C2. And then, yung voltage is negative and positive. So, ang tawag dyan ay circuit diagram. Kung meron tayong pre-body diagram sa P61, dito ay circuit diagram. So, ang capacitor 1 ay 3 microfarad. And then, the capacitor 2 is 6 microfarad. The total voltage given is 12 volts. So, ano po nga pinapahanap? Find the equivalent capacitance. So, letter A, C, total. Letter B, charge and potential difference for each capacitor. So, Q in each. And then letter C, charge and potential difference. B in each. So, for the solution, ano ang capacitance pag naka-parallel? Since dalawa yan, 1 over so, 3 plus 1 over 6. Hindi ko na sinulat yung micro. Sa sagot na lang natin idagdag yon. So, 3 reciprocal plus 6 reciprocal equals, and then reciprocal is 2. So, saka natin isulat yung microfarad. That is for letter A. Letter B. So, since equal yan, ang charge, pag naka-series, so Q total equals, formula ng Q? So, from CB, Q is equal to CB. Tama ba? So, Q is equal to CB. Check natin, ha? Okay, tama. So, C total times B total. So, C total is 2 microfarad times total voltage is 12. So, equals 24 microcoulomb. Or 24 exponent negative 6. Because of this. So, equal yan sa Q1 equal sa Q2. Dahil they are connected in series, equal ang charge. Characteristics. For letter C, V1. The formula for V1 is Q all over C. So, Q1 over C1. Q1 is 24 times 10 raised to negative 6 coulomb divide C1 is 3 times 10 raised to negative 6 farad. So, 24 over 3 is 8. Cancel na yung exponents negative 6. So, that is 8 volts for V1. And then, for V2, that is Q2 all over C2. So, 24 microcoulomb divide 6 microfarad, cancel ang micro, and coulomb over farad is volts. So, 24 over 6 is 2 volts. That is for V2. Now to check, oh, sorry. So 24 over 6 is 4. 4 volts. Now to check, the total voltage is the sum of each individual voltage. So ano yung total voltage natin? 12. Is that equal to 8 plus 4? So check. So tama. We are confident that our answers are correct. So for B1 and B2. So ibabox nyo ha. And then kung ano yung sinosolve nyo. Next, for capacitors in parallel. The arrangement shown in figure 6.3 is called parallel connection. Nakita niyo yung pagkakaiba ng series, parallel. Pagka series, magkadugtong, and then pagka parallel, magkatapat. Two capacitors are connected in parallel between points A and B. The potential difference are the same for all the capacitors in a parallel combination. So dito naman, ang characteristics, equal ang voltage pag naka-parallel. Unlike kanina sa series, ang voltage pinag-a-add. So, dito sa parallel, equal ang voltage. However, the charges on individual capacitors are not the same unless the individual capacitance are the same. So, parehas lang daw ng charge kung parehas ang capacitor. Pero, pag magkaiba ng capacitance, magkaiba sila ng charge. So, ang charge dito ay pinag-a-add. Baliktad nga kanina sa series. So, plus up to Q sub N. Kanina sa series, ang voltage pinag-a-add, ang charge ang equal. Ngayon, sa parallel, ang voltage equal, yung charge ang pinag-a-add. The charges on the individual capacitors added to give the total charge on the parallel combination. So, for the figure, and then the equivalent capacitance of a parallel combination equals the sum of the individual capacitances. Ang total capacitance naman pag naka-parallel ay pinag-a-add lang. So, kanina sa series, ano ginagawa? Sum of the reciprocal. Reciprocal of the sum of the reciprocal. Today in parallel, so that is only additive. In a parallel connection, the equivalent capacitance is always greater than any individual capacitance. So, ang C total nito ay mas malaki kaysa dun sa mga ibang capacitor. So, for example, 6.3.B. So, 2 capacitors C1 and then C2 are 3 and microfarad respectively. So, ang symbol ng capacitor, tapos parallel. So, kung kanina, series magkadugtong, ngayon naman ay magkatapat. Ang series, magkakadugtong, ang parallel, magkakatapat. Sa gulong, di ba? May magkatapat sa hulihan, yun, nakaparallel yun. Para kung ma-plot yung isa, meron pa. Ano pa? Yung buhok, yung walis, yan, nakaparallel yan. No? Imaginin mo kung buhok mo, naka-series. O kaya yung walis, di ba? Ang haba-haba. So, mga value for C1 is same as in series. In parallel, that is C1 is 3 microfarad and C2 is 6 microfarad for a total voltage of 12 volts. Find the equivalent capacitance and charge and the potential difference. So, ganun pa rin. Letter A, C total. Letter B, Q in H. And then letter C, P in H. So, letter A, C total equals C1 plus C2 is 3 microfarad plus 6 microfarad is 9 microfarad for letter A. Now, for letter B, Q total. Ano formula? C times V. So, C total is 9 microfarad times the total voltage is 12 volt. So, equals 9 times 12, 108 microcoulomb. That is for C total. Q total. So, una muna natin isosolve yung letter C bago yung individual charge. Kasi, equal naman ang voltage, di ba? Pag naka-parallel. So, that is 12 volt. So, kung ano yung constant, unahin mo nang isulat para may nasosolve ka. And then, we can solve for Q1, C1, V1. Capacitor 1 is 3 microfarad times the voltage is 12. So, we have 36 microcoulomb. And for Q2, C2, V2, 6 microfarad times 12 volts equals, so 6 times 12 is 72 microcoulomb. So, para mag-check natin kung tama yan, i-add natin. So, Q total equals Q1 plus Q2. Q total is 108. Is that equal to 36 plus 72 microcoulomb? So, if that's so, 36 plus 72 is 108. Our answers are correct. So, yan yung parallel.